I get this question all the time. Devin, what makes a YouTube topic good for affiliate offers, especially if the channel is faceless? The short answer is this. A good affiliate topic creates natural buying intent before you ever mention a link. Here's the beginner filter I'd use. First, the topic should solve a problem where a tool, platform, or service is part of the obvious solution. That's why topics like email marketing, budgeting apps, website building, AI workflows, or productivity systems tend to work better than broad entertainment topics. Second, the viewer should be close to a decision. Search phrases like best, review, compare, tutorial, setup, or alternatives usually mean the offer fits the content naturally. Third, it has to be demonstrable without your face. If you can show the screen, the workflow, the before and after, or the result, faceless is not a disadvantage. And fourth, make sure the topic has offer depth. One good product is okay. A category with 5 to 10 relevant offers is much better because you're building around a market, not a single commission link. So the decision rule is simple. If the topic naturally leads to tools, has buyer intent keywords, and can be demonstrated on screen, it's probably affiliate friendly. That's exactly how we map content to monetization inside Satura when building faceless systems. That's the lens I'd use.